Okay, so here we go. Y'all ready? We're gonna start off with one. Y'all ready? Start off with this one. Hey man, I got some bad news for y'all, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next, and y'all sitting sideways like a motherfucker. Hold on. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Nah, don't come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel. Shout out to everybody who hit that like button before the video even started, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody who shop Up Next Lifestyle. Appreciate y'all for shopping the brand, upnextmalyt.com. I appreciate y'all as well. Orders going out Monday and Tuesday. So that is April 04/10, April the 10th, 04/10, 04/11. Okay, shit, those are the 2 shipping days for everybody out there who's wondering about shipping. Daily updates on shipping on my IG page, Up Next Mile, Up Next Lifestyle. Okay, on IG. I appreciate y'all for just coming through. I appreciate y'all for stopping by the video, but I do have bad news for y'all about my dreadlocks. And it's getting real. So just the other day, man, I had my headphones on. There's something very simple. I had my headphones on. I did not have my Up Next multi-purpose beanie. Make sure y'all go copy out one, link in the description. I did not have this on, right? It was bad. It was bad. My headphones really got caught up in my new growth. So basically, it's looking like my hair is thinning, but it's not thinning. It just my junk had got caught. But as y'all can see, like my junk just got caught. So it wasn't like it just caught on to it. So when it had got caught on, oh my God, it looked like it's barely holding on. Like if y'all really like just compare the two, like this one look like it's barely holding on, and then this one looks strong. Cause bro, I didn't have the Up Next multi-purpose beanie on with my headphones, bro. You know the headphones that go over your head. Yeah, it got caught to my hair like some Velcro, but it's not Velcro though. But it got caught to my hair, right? And it pulled my new growth. So let me just back y'all up a little bit. So it pulled my new growth. So I was really thinking about cutting it. You feel me? So this video I just might cut it because it's just like it ain't no point in it being in my head no more if it's just hanging on by a string. You know what I'm saying? And these are the things that happen during your dreadlock journey that don't nobody else talk about, won't nobody else talk about, but you gonna go through them and you gonna be like, damn, this some fuck shit. It's a real fuck shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, like how this even happen? Like, what the fuck? What's really going on? Like, I got some locks in the back of my head, bro. In the back of my head, bro. I be like, bro, what happened? What happened? You understand what I'm saying? What happened? I don't know if a nigga just laying down, just sleeping on that hole wrong. I don't know what going on, but oh, bro, but half of the time niggas be thinking about restarting, but it just like, bro, when you come so far, like when you come like 4 years, bro. When you come like 4 years, it's been like 4 or 5 years I done had my locks, bro. When you come 4 years, bro, no things. They really be hanging like how you wanted them to be hanging, like your whole dread journey. Yo, nigga, you dreamed about this moment right here. Then when you finally get to the moment, you be like, damn, should I restart this beat? You know what I'm saying? So, but nah, we gonna cut it soon though. Make sure y'all watch the whole video. Make sure y'all stay into the whole video. We definitely gonna cut this lock. Just because I was just looking at it just on the camera, and I don't even like seeing it. So I think it'll make some good content if we cut the lock off. And it's gonna be hard to say goodbye, bro. Like it's been a couple times this year. Actually not this year, but I'm gonna just say like this past year, like not counting like the 2022, 2023 type shit. I'm just saying within like the last 365. For the dreads, it's been crazy. I think I lost like at least five dreadlocks in like the last year. Honestly, better than last year. Better than last year. I really do think I started out with like 120 locks. I think what happened was some of them got combined. So some of them got combined. Some of them got lost. Don't ask me how they got lost, bro. They got lost. You feel me? Like shit. So some combined, some got lost, pulled out type shit. Yeah. And some just like earlier, what I was just telling you with the headphone situation, just some bullshit like that, like little shit like that, like little shit like that gonna make the dreads draw up, and of course it's a little bit more than that. It's probably like a lot of friction. That's why I came up with like certain products to reduce friction. A lot of people, they don't know what the satin line beanie does, but what it does is it reduces the frizz. It reduces the friction. Friction is damage. You get what I'm saying? Friction is damage. So when you reduce the friction, you reduce the damage, and you allowing your hair to grow. You get what I'm saying? So when people ask me, yo, like, what does the satin line beanie do anyways? I'm like, shit, it improves your growth, because it does. It lessens up the friction, man. That's why you got so much breakage, because of the friction. All the friction that's been placed on your hair, like, especially, I know, like, for me, like, in the back, like, because sometimes I wouldn't wear a do-rag, or I wouldn't have a silk pillowcase, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Vaughn, you feel me, for the silk pillowcase. But other than that, I wouldn't have no silk pillowcase, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, every night, I mean, you would probably be putting more and more cotton into your hair, like, so. I'm thinking about coming out with a silk pillowcase, because that's really what y'all really need if y'all got dreadlocks, or if y'all got waves, or if y'all really got black people with hair period. If you got hair period, you really need like this silk pillowcase, because it does feel better on your head, on your scalp, and I could feel it, because I don't have hair in the back, so I could just put it in here and just lay down, and the silk is more cooling. So I'm definitely thinking about dropping some silk pillowcases for y'all out there, just to lay down on, just so you don't have to have certain things on your head at night. You can just lay down freely. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's coming up too, man. I guess it's that time. I guess it's that time. So take y'all to the restaurant right quick. Do what we promised. Grab the scissors. Place y'all right there. Ooh, boy, it's time to cut them, boy. It's time to cut them. How do I say goodbye? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Damn. I'm not even gonna cut that one though, because I like this one right here, I just have no hope for it. But those two, I do have hope for. I know for a fact somebody can bring them back to life. Okay, so here we go. Y'all ready? We're gonna start off with one. Y'all ready? Start off with this one.